Alright, so a few videos ago I was sitting here at sunrise watching fruit bats before I flew up to the highlands, and I told you there were a ton of fruit bats, and there were, but when I tried to catch them on video it didn't work even a little bit. And that won't do because the fruit bats here are ridiculously cool and massive, like the size of my parents' dog, kind of big. And they fly through the air and they eat fruit, as the name implies. So, woke up early, quite a few days in a row, ran around town, and got some really good video and a couple pictures. So, I don't have time right now to make a full video for this week, but I needed some redemption for my failure showing you fruit bats, so check these out. Yeah. Welcome to beautiful Madang. We've got fruit bats. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and on a completely unrelated note, check this out. I don't know when I started being able to do that, but that's exciting.